Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So in today's video I will be making this pinafore. I had recorded a pattern tutorial, but unfortunately I lost the footage, so I'm just gonna be showing you how I made my pinafore dress. So I'm gonna start by cutting out my fabric, and I'm just realizing this right now, but I did not lay my pattern on the grain. I laid it on the crosswise grain, but it didn't give me any problems while I was sewing. So the first thing that I did after cutting out all my pieces is to overlock the center front of both of my front pieces, where I'm going to insert my zipper. This is the zipper that I will be using. It's a white open-ended plastic zip. I did not measure how long it is, but it's longer than I wanted, so I'm going to end up cutting the top piece. So right now I'm just going to pin each side of the zip on each piece of the front. I finished top stitching the zip on the center front, and this is how it looks all zipped up, and I will cut this overlapping piece out. Now I'm pinning both sides of the pinafore, and I will go ahead and stitch both sides on a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. And now I'm going to overlock those side seams, and I will go ahead and press those side seams. Initially my plan was to overlock the side seams together, but this fabric is a little bit thick. That's why I decided to overlock the side seams separate. I also overlocked the underarm area, the hem, and the neckline to prep them for finishing. right here I'm measuring the 1.5 centimeter seam allowance on the underarm area, and my plan was to fold this and stitch it, but since it's a curved area that was a little bit hard, so then I later decided to use a binding strip instead to finish off the armhole. After this, I went ahead and finished the hem of the pinafore and the neckline, and I went ahead and stitched the straps with their buckles. So this is the finished result of this pinafore dress. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like this video, comment and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And I will see you guys on my next video.